Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist in private practice in Bangalore from the last 15 years. People who have a curly hair seem to have it all because they have natural bounce, their hair is very springy and alive. It adds a new dimension in their whole face. But they have their own troubles with their hair. People with curly hair tend to have very dry hair, and it is usually becomes very frizzy in humid conditions, in rainy seasons, or on a beach side, for example. So what is the best hair care for people with curly hair? First thing is that you have to use pH balanced shampoos which are sulphate free, paraben free, and you have to make sure that you have to use intense conditioner and hair mask regularly. Always rinse off the hair with cold water. This prevents the drying out of the hair, and avoid drying out the hair with hair dryers too much. Preferably pat dry the hair with a towel. Don't use the towel and rub it roughly. This increases the static and increases the frizziness of the hair. And it's very important that after the hair wash, you do not dry the hair to 100%. Instead, dry to 80-90% and let it air dry naturally. Finger comb the hair or use a very wide toothed comb. Do not brush the hair. Brushing the hair is going to increase the curliness of the hair. It's going to increase the frizz and make it more prone for breakage. Definitely invest in hair spas. These are good for your hair, and you should choose products which are for curly hair. Nowadays, you do get shampoos as well as conditioners specific for curly hair. The other thing to do is make sure that when you are traveling in a bus or an auto, for example, that the hair is not being exposed to the wind. Just being in the wind is going to dry out the hair, increase its tangliness, because curly hair's nature is like that. It's a little unruly. But you can enjoy the best of your curly hair by following all these tips.